So I'm in the middle of moving, having a garage sale, getting rid of all this stuff that's not gonna fit in my apartment and that I just don't want to move with me. And I found these wooden circles. I was gonna put them in the garage sale, but then I had an epiphany. I'm like, I know what I can do with these. So these are just some round wooden circles that I got off of Amazon. I will link them down below because I have a feeling you guys are gonna love this because I know I'm gonna love it. So to trace my moon, I'm gonna use one of these circles. You can do whatever gradient you want. I think I'm gonna go out right here, and then I'm just gonna take my pen and trace it. And I'm gonna do 2 of these and then just flip it the other way. You'll see what I mean. Then I'm gonna do 2 that are gonna be half. So these are 12-inch circles, so I'm gonna make my dot right here on this 6-inch mark, so that way it's perfectly in the middle. And slice that in half, so this will actually be 2, and then we'll have our full one. So that's all we really need.
Got my head spinning on my shoulders. I feel it burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur out. I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them fading.
It's not so bad on this side, and I plan on rotating them, but I do want to sand that off. So I'm just going to lightly sand it.
Falling way down, all delusional. I've been feeling like I'm lucid dreaming.
Ow! Save my fingernail.
Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close.
Okay, so I have all my pieces here. I swear, that dog. So I have all my pieces here, but I also thought it would be really cool if you wanted to hang it like this. Hang it, you know, or vertically. Hang it vertically like this. All you would have to do in that instance is to drill a hole in each one of these and then feed, you know, twine or ribbon or suede or something through it. But I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hang them up on the wall. The hardest part is deciding what color to paint them, because you could use stain on these. These are real wood, so you could stain them, or you could just paint them whatever color. I actually just like the unfinished look of these though. It's very like West Elm vibes. So, do you like that? I thought you'd like that. Maybe we can put it above your bed.
I'm on my way back.